Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Pisces, we are picking these cards, guys. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Pisces, if you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards here. We have Wheel of Fortune, Four of Wands in reverse, and Six of Pentacles in reverse. So Pisces, with these cards in your situation, guys, maybe you are successful, you are really handsome or beautiful, and people see you someone very attractive, and there are many people uh, seeing you as a very, what to say, a very hot or attractive person, and they are interested in you, interested to be in a relationship with you, and that may be the reason for others being really jealous of you. So it may be someone in your friend circle, or it may be people from your work situation, maybe the way you handle your work or the way you are in general, that is creating a lot of envy among your friends or your the people in your work situation, guys. And maybe for some of you today, things are going in a very positive way, guys. Pisces, you are successful in work and you are finding someone you love and you are happy. Things are just falling into place and you are going, you are seeing luck or fortunate time smiling on you, Pisces. And maybe in your career situation or maybe in your personal life, you are getting what you need, guys, in both in your career and your personal life, and you are celebrating this happiness with your friends or family or with this person you love. And you are seeing some new beginning. It may be a new beginning in your career, you are celebrating that, or it may be a new beginning in your personal life, in this relationship. Maybe you are planning to get engaged or planning to get married, and you are celebrating that, happy for how things are going today for you in your situation, guys, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. We have Justice in reverse. So with this card in your relationship, guys, maybe this may be what this person feels towards you or what you feel towards them. Maybe you are someone who strictly follow rules or some ideals or beliefs you have for yourself, and maybe this person may think of you as someone who is too severe, who just goes by the book, who's not willing to change for them. So some kind of what to say, severity they may feel with you in this relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys, Pisces. It is Seven of Pentacles. So with this card in your situation, guys, you have succeeded in some things. You have completed few goals you had for yourself. Now you are thinking what is your next plan or what is your next path. So you're waiting for the right thing to fall into place or happen. So in your career situation, guys, you are extremely successful. So a very positive reading here for your Pisces. Luck or fortune is smiling on you, guys. So that is the reading with these cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals. So you can think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card here. This is your first card, second card and third card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay guys, so now let's start with this card here. We will keep these cards aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card and this crystal, let's see what it is. We have round and round. So this card just means that in our situation, the spiral quality of events, when something is not being integrated in our life, guys, maybe through our experience, the lessons, what we are supposed to learn, when we do not learn that, we go through that pattern again and again, guys. And this card is a reminder of that. Maybe you feel that in your circumstance today, how you are back here again, maybe in the same kind of situation. Maybe you would have had a similar experience before in your past. So you need not be surprised because you are finding yourself with the same kind of circumstance, with a same type of person, maybe. But you need to understand that in your situation today, what is happening is that universe is trying to guide you or bring that evolution in you, guys, bring that changes in you. That is the reason for things going in a particular way. So maybe you should learn your lessons, what you should not do. You should not do it now. Maybe what you did before, maybe some responses or the way you behaved, you should not repeat that now, guys. So that is what this card means. Maybe today you should handle your situation from a different perspective and respond in a different way. That way you will be able to break this cycle. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's keep this card aside. For those who have chosen the second card, guys, sorry guys, this is your second card and second crystal. This is the crystal for y'all and this is the card. So for those who have chosen this crystal, it is Archangel Uriel. So this angel, it guides us to have that clarity, have our own wisdom in any situation, guys. And this guidance is subtle and gentle but very powerful. So maybe we are trying to find solution in some areas. We feel that we are stuck, some kind of confusions or doubts are there, but the answers you seek are right within you. So this guidance, this card comes with the guidance that you will get your answers from within, maybe through some messages, or you may see certain signs in your situation. Something is going to help you out today. Something that is going to maybe you may find your answers within yourself, maybe through your intuition or some signs or something in your situation. So that way you will get clarity, guys. So maybe some confusions are there and it is all going to clear out. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this crystal and this card, the second card. So let's see what is the third card, guys. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Seraphos green quartz. So that is the card here. It's a crystal spirit card. So sometimes we are just forcing ourselves towards something we desire. We are working hard, making efforts, but today we have come to an acceptance that what is not supposed to come will never come towards us, or what is not supposed to change will never change, at least not for this moment. So you have your clarity today, and honestly, you know what you can change and what you cannot change in this relationship. So that way you have a clear idea, guys. So you will be able to work with that other person, co-create your dreams and goals, what you desire and what you deserve. So you need to be present, be here this moment in your life today. Maybe if you are sad, you can cry. It's not going to change anything, guys. But you should not forget that universe is your friend and it is guiding you in a particular way, and you are going to feel so much love and so much happy, and you need not worry that this is the end of things. Maybe certain things are not going up to expectation, but you need not worry. Things will change for the better, and there are good things waiting for you, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.